Hi guys, I'm Ronnie. Welcome back to Screwshop. Not sure what landscape screw size you need? This handy grab pack is perfect for you. So let's see what we get. A selection of popular exterior hex head landscaping screw sizes in a handy and reusable storage pack with a clip shut lid. Ideal for decking, stairs, fencing, roofing, gazebos, framing, pergola sleepers and landscaping. Contains 30 6.7 by 75, 45 6.7 by 87, 35 6.7 by 100, 35 6.7 by 125, and 20 6.7 by 150. You'll also get an 8mm socket driver bit. If you know what size you are after, then why not check out the rest of our Timco landscape screw range on www.screwshop.co.uk. So that's the landscape screw grab pack. For more landscape screws, head over to www.screwshop.co.uk. I've been Ronnie, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.